Assalamualaikum. May I interview you on some topic?
Yes,
Uh,
sure, why not?
Before that, could you please introduce yourself?
Oh, my name, sorry, my name is Zarif, and I'm from police.
Okay. I will state one issue for you, and I want to ask your opinion about the issue. Okay. My issue is, what do you think about the pollution in the world right now?
Pollution in the world. Oh, what a big scope. So basically, by saying the word pollution, we can easily recognize that there's a lot of type of pollution as well.
Oh, so you want me to be specified?
No, no. Basically, I tell you what. Uh, there's a lot of pollution at all. It's like air pollution, water pollution, and the other as. So by air pollution, it's all about haze, global warming, and so on. And then by the water pollution, it's all about sea or river that interrupted by people who throw out chemical things by the seawater or some river. So that's the main pollution in the world right now. So, and the question is,
My first question is, how do you think we can reduce the pollution in the world right now?
reduce the pollution. Okay. By reducing the pollution, in my opinion, I think that we could we should I do we could the government should put out the people who throw out the chemical things in the river or sea, as well as they're not allowed to do that. So the governmental people should do arrest the people who throw out the things illegally and try to solve the problem, as well as the pollution is becoming more critical as day pass by day. So my other opinion is we should reduce plastic or polystyrene usage by the society, because by my opinion, or in the other hand, I thought that the polystyrene the polystyrene usage is quite a lot in society right now. So by that things, I think that there's a lot of garbage that we can't reproduce, we can't recycle at all. So as you guys know, polystyrene can't be easily burned, as they will produce a smoke that very bad, that can harm us, that can harm our health, and can stash all the trees now. So I think that's what I can say in by my opinion. So any other question?
So my last questions, I think, who do you think, responsible for this thing, pollution, who mainly need to be responsible for the cost, the cost.
For the cost. So like I just said before, the people who throw out the people who illegally throw out the chemical things or something else, I don't care. It's even it's chemical things from the factory or else, like even the people who throw out like the simple or normal garbage, just like plastic or bottle or something else that can harm the sea water and the life under the sea. I think that there are who should be responsible for that, because even you throw out rock or stone, it will harm the sea life at all. So in my opinion, as well as I just said before, the governmental people should arrest it and take action for what the people do. So I think that they need to be responsible as what they have done.
Um, So my last question.
Last
Last
question,
question.
okay.
Another. I'm sorry. Do you think parent is responsible for this thing to happen, or
Parent parent is one of the responsible people by this particular things, because other than teachers in school who should teach these things, I thought that parent were also one of the people who should taught these particular things. So I think we should, the youth or the younger generation now shall be practicing this particular action, so that from the youth, from the younger generation shouldn't be throw out rubbish or things in sea. So in my opinion, I think that parents is one of the people who should responsible for this particular illegal or bad action.
okay?
Sorry for interrupt. My question is, who are involved in this issue?
Who are involved in this particular issue? Okay, so basically all people who do the illegal things,
Dah tanya.
something that is even the governmental people who throw out the I don't even stash or something rubbish, or even a water bottle into sea. There are people who should responsible for this, even the children or the older generation as well. All the people who do the illegal things and do the bad action to the sea life or the water life should responsible for this particular pollution at all. It's not just not only to be punished or to arrest the factories guys in our mindset, in our mind, that if you heard about water pollution, in our mind it will say like oh, the factory, the people used to work in the factory throw out the chemical things in sea water. So for me, it's not about just the people, it's about all the society. It's not even okay. For example, in this particular area, there is no factory at all. The sea water still has pollution.
Kanan.
So why that's happened? It's mean that in that particular area have people who doesn't responsible for what they have done before. So perhaps that you guys, me and everybody here should be honest and responsible for what we will do in our future to save our earth at all.
Alright, thanks for the issue, for sharing the issues. We appreciate
We appreciate your time. Thank you. So, thank you.